Good evening. Now in the unit 3, we are going to see balance sheet. Already we saw what is income statement from the trading account and profit and loss account. We saw in the last video. Okay, now we'll see balance sheet. So what is balance sheet? Okay, so which is a financial statement. This gives the position of assets and liabilities on particular date. Okay, so assets we know that is the resource of the you business. Okay, and the liabilities are the claims against the business. Okay, after getting the net profit and net loss from the income statement, a business person would like to know the financial position of the business. So, what are the characteristics of balance sheet? So, it has assets and liabilities. Total side of asset and liabilities should be equal. Okay. So, this will be prepared on particular date, and from this balance sheet we can say the financial position of the enterprise. We have two forms of draft preparing a balance sheet. One is horizontal, another one is vertical form. So horizontal form means so in the left side we are going to write the liabilities, and in the right side we will write the assets. Okay. So it has intangible asset, tangible assets, and current assets. Okay, so in liabilities we have current liabilities and long-term loans. So everything comes under liability side. So vertical means first we have to write the asset, then we have to write the liabilities. Okay. So what are the assets? Okay. So assets are classified based on duration and physical existence and by use. Okay. So duration means current asset or long term asset, that is fixed asset. Okay. And based on physical existence, we can say tangible asset or intangible asset. Okay. So based on the use means so where for operating activities, for non-operating activities means non-operating asset, inventory, investment property, fixed asset, assets held for sale, so leased asset, these all comes under asset classification. Okay. And the liabilities, we have notes payable and accounts payable, salaries, interest, credit or bonds or debentures, and the owner's equity. So these all comes some types of liabilities on balance sheet. Okay, we'll see an example. So here they gave some debits and credits. Okay. So first we have to prepare a trading and this income statement, trading and profit and loss account. Then from that we can calculate balance sheet. Okay, so these are the debits and credits. So using this we can write what are the items comes under trading and calculate the gross profit or gross loss. And from that gross profit or loss we can calculate net loss or net profit. Okay. Then after finding the net profit or net loss we can prepare balance sheet. Okay, so here they have this listed credit and debit balances. Okay, so here it is a opening stock comes in trading accounts. Okay, so see here 2 lakhs, and the purchase will comes in trading account debit side. Okay, if it is purchase return we have to subtract it, so that is 7 lakh 20,000. And carriage inwards and the wages, everything comes in debit side. So now sum the total value, and in the credit side we have sales. Okay, and closing stock. Okay, so now find the total. This is 12,007 and 7, sorry, 12 lakh 70,000. Okay, so here you get 13 lakh 60,000. So now credit side is less, so you have gross loss. The loss amount is 90,000. Now you get total value same. Okay, so because you got loss. Okay, so if you got loss, you have to write in a debit side. Okay, so 90,000, and the salaries comes in debit side, repairs and rents, and that is indirect expenses. Here indirect incomes, that is commission received. Okay, so now find out the the total value, that is 5 lakh 2,000. Here the total is 50,000, 53,000. Okay, so now also you got loss, that is a net loss. So the net loss amount is 4,49,000. Okay, so now you got loss. So now we can write a balance sheet. Okay, so for balance sheet, first item will be the capital amount. If it is if it have, then a loss means you have to write in liability side. So loss means we have to subtract, right? So 30, that is for 33, from 33 lakhs you have to subtract 4,49,000. Okay, and you have drawings, so that also you have to subtract it from the capital value. Okay, so now the final amount is 26,080, sorry, 26 lakhs 85,000, and you have sundry creditors. So creditors you should add in liabilities. Okay, so this is the total. And in asset side you have land amount, stock in trade, and bank deposit and cash in hand. Everything will be considered as an asset. So the total value in asset side is 26 lakhs 97,000. So this will be tallied with the liabilities. So this is the current balance sheet. Okay. So this is how we have to write a balance sheet. First income statement, then we have to write a balance sheet. Okay. Thank you.